Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Connect the mic and open the camera app. Make sure Windows recognizes the device so the camera can use it. Privacy blocks will stop audio. Once done, open Settings, go to Privacy, and confirm microphone access is on for desktop apps. Then open System Sound and glance at Input Devices to verify your microphone is listed. This step ensures the camera app has permission and a detected input, because apps use what Windows exposes as available devices. You need to change the system default because the camera app generally uses Windows selected input. Go to Settings System Sound, choose your mic under Input, and click Set as Default if shown. For more control, open Control Panel, Sound, Recording, right-click the preferred device and choose Set as Default Device and Default Communications Device. Once you set defaults, close and relaunch the camera app so it rereads Windows input selection. This makes sure your chosen microphone becomes active in the recording. Finish by recording a quick clip to verify audio input and quality. Listen back and watch levels. If volume is low, open Sound Control Panel, Recording, Properties, adjust levels and enhancements. Make sure microphone boost or gain isn't muted. If the camera still won't use the mic, restart the app and PC. Then check Privacy Microphone Access again, update or reinstall the audio driver, and run the Windows Recording Audio Troubleshooter. A single key tip: confirm microphone is set as Windows default.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.